Hi guys, it's Ash here. Welcome to my channel Money Stock. And today I will be talking about ticker symbol AZFL again. And the main reason I want to talk about AZFL is because the price was going down, and I was getting few messages from some of my friends and some of my Facebook members and YouTube subscribers. So why the price is going down, I will go through the background of AZFL. See AZFL on SEC website. If any good investor want to invest, they always go into SEC to find if the company is keeping SEC updated. AZFL was out of business for last 2 years. That's the reason they did not submit any of the document. AZFL did submit a few documents according to their Twitter official account, and we are just waiting for the confirmation. So as soon we get the confirmation, I think a lot more investors will start investing in AZFL as soon they know the potential about AZFL. As soon the state investors will find out about AZFL, the more investors will come and the price will go up. But then again, if you hold it for long term, you won't see this price always going up. It always does correction. Even the biggest brand in the world, Apple, Facebook, Tesla, they always have up and down. But if you look at the long-term graph, like a year or two, you can see the uptrend. But if you're holding for long term, you don't have to worry about the price drop. Lab launched day 15th of May. So they updated their Twitter account about the progress they're making about their lab. As soon the status is pink, and if the stock dip again, I will buy more. And again guys, this is not financial advice. If you're not confident about any company, please don't risk your money, and before investing in anything, do your own research. Guys, the good thing about AZFL now is whatever they're saying, they are actually doing it. So as you can see from this news, on 16th of February, they mentioned they will file before March 15th or on, and they actually done that last week. And the next good thing we are waiting for is the new lab. That's the biggest catalyst I'm waiting for, and that's May 15th. And as you can see from their Twitter account, they updated everyone with the final design, which was approved by GAL consultant. And if you have a look more into detail, precision extractions, they are actually quite massive companies. So I don't see any reason why public everything if they're not going to do it. So it's not only one company, a reputation at stake is actually three or more than three, and plus their investors backing them as well. So I see pink status is the only hurdle before the price can shoot. If it stays 30 to 40, I don't see massive issue with the price. And even if it does drop and their status is pink, lab is coming out, I think it's still a good buy. If they have any issue with their pink status, then there will be an issue. So that's the only thing we need to worry about. The price is just temporary. The next big thing I want to talk to you about after the lab, and before even the lab is being launched, there will be a lot more catalysts coming. If they get the pink status, then the next catalyst we're looking for will be 30th March, 25th of March, and then another catalyst is 30th of April. So as you can see from last week, Mexico legalized medical cannabis use, and as soon the news was out, AZFL, without wasting any time, they were straight away in contact with one of the companies. And you can see from their official Twitter account, their main focus is Mexico and America. So guys, that was the medical legalization, and then there's a pending legalization in Mexico for the use of cannabis. For that to look for will be 30th April. The past cannabis bill, I believe AZFL will be contacted with the similar kind of investors or other companies. And the good thing about AZFL and Mexico, they have ties with Mexico. According to New York Times, the business in Mexico for cannabis is worth $3.2 billion annually. They will keep growing every year. And if we come back to America, the cannabis is newly legalized in 35 plus states in America, and cannabis business worth around $24 billion in a year, and is growing every year. AZFL, all similar companies will go up as well. So that's why I believe if AZFL get pink status, that's the date 25th of March you guys want to look for. Main few dates you want to look for will be 25th of March. The pink status can be anytime before, but not later than 25th of March. The next date will be 30th March. That's when they will officially announce their head office move to Miami. So guys, for the next catalyst, you want to look for 30th April. That's the deadline to legalize cannabis for all users. And then 15th of May is the main catalyst which I'm waiting for. And after the tweet from AZFL, I think it will happen now. So the pink status is the only hurdle I can see. As soon they get pink status, they announce their lab date, which is 15th of May. And as soon Mexico get legalization for all users of cannabis, I can see a lot more investors coming. America and Mexico combined will be around 27 billion plus, and that will grow every year. So if the market of cannabis were 27 billion plus, I see if even AZF will get 10, 20, 15% of that, that will help the share price a lot as well. So I can see before 15th of May, a lot more updates coming from AZFL, news about investors, medicine field, they already have their online store up and running. So for me, these small up and down for prices is nothing to worry about. As long you know about the company ins and out, you don't have to worry about if the price goes down. So guys, that's all for today, and I will see you next time with new videos. Thank you.